Honor is snoring very well here, folks. As we're trying to watch Attack of the Clones, and our disc has been problematic. And that's Jasper you hear. Jasper. I'm Petunia, and there's Jasper right there.